Hello everyone. In this introductory video, we will be looking at step-by-step instructions on how to get a decluttered gallery using ClutterFly app. In a world dominated by clicks, every moment must be captured. Unfortunately, we sometimes get carried away trying to achieve the ideal Instagram snap and take many pictures. In turn, there are many duplicates of photos, screenshots, social media videos, selfies, and GIFs. Then you may ask, how can I declutter my gallery quickly? The answer is simple, with ClutterFly. ClutterFly app searches for redundant images, finds duplicate photos and videos, and gives you the option to remove them. With this app, you get a managed and decluttered phone gallery. The app handles all the work and gives you a sorted phone gallery. Here are the steps to quickly sort your gallery from similar photos. How to get rid of similar photos. Step 1. Download the ClutterFly app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store into your devices. Step 2. Once installed, open the app on your device. Allow permissions to proceed further. Step 3. Our advanced algorithm will start analyzing your cluttered gallery and provide you with the total media count. Step 4. A rescan option will appear once our ultra-fast analyzing process is complete. Step 5. Our smart duplicate media scanner will organize your gallery's contents into respective folders of duplicate, related, blurred, screenshots, similar, notes, WhatsApp media, and all media. Step 6. Click on similar photos to start the decluttering process. Step 7. Select the similar photos that you no longer need. Step 8. Once you have selected the similar photos, press delete. Step 9. To proceed with the deletion, press continue for confirmation. Step 10. Allow ClutterFly to delete similar photos. Step 11. Once you have deleted, simply exit.